Okay, the process is almost complete with this design. Let's go ahead and rotate this around and look at any areas where we can improve the design. As I rotate around, one thing that you need to keep in mind, your product is not going to look exactly like this. We're actually designing to how we're going to actually manufacture this product. It would not be a rendering that we would produce until maybe afterwards we come back and make the different changes to this design after we've manufactured it. What I mean by that is, for instance, on this arrowhead, as you see here, the arrowhead that we actually will use in this making of this product will look a little different than this. It'll have the actual outline shape, but it's going to have the scallops and marks that we need to put in for this product. Well, let's first identify one area where we can change a part and improve it for our manufacturing. Let's look at the base plate right here. Now keep in mind your base plate is going to have holes in it that are about 3/16 of an inch in diameter. Well, we don't need to put those actually in the design to manufacture. We'll use a drill to drill those out because of the resolution of our CNC plasma cutter. But right here on this part, one thing that needs to be changed is this fillet right here. Now in SolidWorks, you got a couple ways of doing that. One, I can select this part, I can right mouse click, and I can open the part. Or I can actually edit the feature inside that part. So I'll just select edit the feature. When I do that, as you can tell, a lot of the images are going to get faded away in a different color. But right now it says my feature right here in this box extrude is fine. Well, I'm going to go ahead and accept that and get out of that. Probably what I should have done is select something a little different here. Well, let's go ahead and try to do that again. I'll see if I can open the part in position. We'll try that. And it looks like it did, so I'm going to click on this particular part right here, this one edge here, and then as I do, a flyout menu comes up, a pop-up menu comes up, and I'll say fillet. I always run about 1/8 of an inch fillet, so I'll say 0.125. Okay. Now I'm going to come back up to here, and I'm going to select the other corners that I need to select. Now it looks like I need to rotate around, but if you notice, SolidWorks will highlight that edge. If it's in the vicinity, your pointer is in the vicinity of that edge. So I'll go ahead and click that, and you'll see a yellow highlight come in, and then I'll click on this one here. Okay, that all looks pretty good. I'll accept that. So once that's accepted, I'll go ahead and hit escape. Actually, I'll go ahead and go back over to my assembly because it opened up that part file, and I'll bring this back up, and I'll say yes on the rebuild and save, and I'll go ahead and get out of edit component, hit the F key to fit the image in the view, and there it is. That looks pretty good. Okay, so what I want to do now is I'm going to stop here, and then we're going to individually come back and make drawings, custom drawings of each part.